Do you want to unlock your earning potential with affiliate marketing? Are you already in affiliate marketing and maybe you're not making the money that you want to make? You don't see the money every month that you want to make. You're still paycheck to paycheck. You still don't have time freedom or financial freedom. I'm here to help. Check it out. In order to do this, in order to become efficient with affiliate marketing, one, you're going to need the mindset. You're going to need to get the mindset that, hey, let's build a business. Let's build it the right way. And if anybody gets in your way, like they're telling you, hey, you can't do it, those are the people you want to stay away from. I know you can't cut loose from your family, like, when you got your brother and sister maybe telling you can't do it because you don't have the time. But if you're hanging around friends or supposedly friends that are holding you back or keeping you down, then those ain't your friends. Stay away from them. You want to get your mindset that, hey, you can do this. Anybody can. But just, you want to start with the mindset that you can do it, and that way nobody's in your way. You definitely, if you start off with people nagging in your ear that, hey, you can't do it, then, you're going to get frustrated and quit. And you need the training. You can do this, I guess you can say, the Long Ranger way by yourself, but you're not going to make the money that you would have if you had if somebody would teach you, and also you had an advisor or a mentor. If you learn the skills and you have a mentor, advisor pushing you and telling you, hey, don't do that, it takes too long, do it this way, you're going to make money tenfolds with a mentor. That's just the way it is. You can go the Long Ranger, but you're going to get frustrated because no matter how many videos you're watching, you're not going to get how to build a funnel step by step. They're going to wing it, show you just a few minutes of it. They're not going to show you do the split testing, what works, what doesn't work. They're not going to show you how to do an email campaign. You're just not going to get all that and have the ability to be able to learn how to do it and have the ability to make commissions while you're doing it. Because if you don't know what affiliate marketing is where you're promoting other people's products. It could be Walmart, Amazon, it could be anything. It could be health and fitness. Whatever your niche is, it doesn't matter. We can help you in it. Because the basics is, once you learn the basics, then you can promote anything, anywhere. You want to travel? You can do this from the beach. You can get up in the morning, spend an hour or so taking care of your business. Then the rest of the time you're with your family on the beach enjoying things. But just remember, you got to get that mindset. That's the biggest hurdle with affiliate marketing is your mind. Is having the giddy up and go to where you're dedicated for the next 90 days or 6 months to learning this craft. It's like anything that you're going to do in life, you got to learn the skills in order to do it. But once you get it, they're yours. You can do whatever you want with it. You can run with it. You can do whatever niche that crosses your mind. You're able to handle it because you're able to build your funnel, do your email campaign, do your social media ads without being banned. Because that's the biggest thing now. They change the rules all the time. You can do an ad in Google. Next thing you know, you think it's completely fine. Next thing you know, you're getting banned. Because some little rule. But you're going to learn all that stuff. So just keep in mind, we're here to help. We're not going to let you fail, because we love to see your success, and we like to watch you grow. So if you want to unlock your earning potential with affiliate marketing and start your online business, remember, you need to get your mindset straight and be dedicated to do it. You need to have some training, and you need a mentor, because with those three things, you're going to make more money faster than you would be if you just try to do it by yourself, watching endless amount of videos and then getting frustrated. Then just like, throwing a hat into the ring. You're done. We don't want that. Nobody likes to see that. Nobody wants to see anybody quit, because that's why we're here for you. You got guys and gals who's been doing this for years, who are already making 6-7 figures. We're not going to have you doing stuff that's wrong or a waste of time, because time is money. Success loves speed. So the faster you get going, the faster you're going to make money. And that's the goal. The main thing is to take affiliate marketing, then turn it into passive income to where you're making money while you're sleeping. And the only way to do that is with the skills. So keep in mind. So that being said, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to check me out on TikTok at RiddlesBendMedia, Pinterest at RiddlesBendMedia, and don't forget to hit the little bell icon. And tell all your friends, hey, come over to the channel and support me. And I do thank you. And I will see you down the road or next week when I put out another video. Thank you.